Why not personalize your summer gatherings with customized placemats and even party favors? With our celebrations collection available only at Michael's, it's really, really easy to do. In fact, I'm making runners that go across the table so that one place setting on this side of the table and one place setting on the opposite side of the table. And this is the plate I'm going to be using for our barbecue. This plate is a nice generous size. It's 10 inches square. So I think a place runner should probably be at least 2 inches on either side. So 14 inches. Just measure 14 inches. Mark it with a pencil. You can use a T-square like this. And you can make a slight pencil mark. I don't like to do too dark a line because you don't want to see any pencil marks. So just cut crosswise. So this is your place runner, which is going to go across your table like this. Your plate will be here, and you can personalize by using a paint pen to write the names of each of your guests. There, very cute. Place the runners on top of a tablecloth and set your table. Decorating for a summer celebration has never been so easy. And you can also decorate your table with a salt soak that can double as favors for your guests to bring home as a memento. This is a salt soak, and oh, does it smell delicious. Well, that is just the grated skin of one bright colored orange. And your bath is going to smell great, and you're going to feel so relaxed after you get out of a 15-minute soak. So just scoop this into clean, decorative jelly jars. And as a topping, put on your top, then the doily, and then screw on the ring. It's easier than you think. Look how pretty, like a little skirt. And oh, of course, label it, because people have to know what they're getting. This is orange salt soak. Place a jar at each place setting. So the doily, the sticker, the place runner, everything from our beautiful Indigo Celebrations line, only at Michael's.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.